ma'am.
Okay. So here is just a revision. We have already done that. With this pic, I'm trying to show you the parts of the reflection. Now you can see over here, the arrow shows that this is the incident ray, right? It is falling on the surface. This is the surface. So this is the incident ray, okay? And it gets reflected, and this becomes the reflected ray. Agree? All of you agree, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Then we make a straight line that is making 90 degree. 90 degree. What is this called as? Normal. What it is called as, beta?
Normal.
Normal. Fine. Now the angle between the incident ray, can you see this incident ray, beta? And the
Yes.
normal. And the normal. Angle between the reflected ray and the normal. Both are equal. What is it written? Equal. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear? Fine. This one is called as angle of incidence. Can you see this over here?
Yes.
This is called as angle of reflection. Can you see here?
Yes.
Angle I is equal to angle R. Is it clear?
Yes.
The second law, this is the first law. The second law suggests that incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal are on the same plane. Agree? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So these are the two laws. Okay, these are the two laws that we have done. What have we learned here? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, angle of incidence, and angle of reflection. I've taught you everything. Okay, and I've given you the laws also. Okay, we'll do one activity that. Okay, one of you read it, better.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, sure. And make it fast.
Reflection of light. When light falls on a mirror, the direction of light changes. This change in the direction of light by a mirror is called reflection of light.
All of you
Activity.
understood? Just a moment. All of you understood what is reflection? So now this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
mirror. Mirror. So this is incident ray. Direction changes. Yes, this is reflected ray.
Yes, ma'am.
Incident ray. This direction which changes is called as reflection. Did you understand? Oh, good. Do the activity.
Activity. Take a torch and cover its glass with a chart paper having a small hole. Spread a chart paper on a wooden board. A plain mirror vertically on it. Direct a beam of light at an angle of to the mirror. The direction of light changes. If the torch is moved slightly to the either side, the direction of light also changes.
Look over here. Torch. Here
Yes.
is this Vita? The torch. Torch. Right? Agree? This is a mirror. This is a mirror. Standing or not? And this we have put as a protect. What is protect?
Yes.
Kept a D over here.
Yes.
It's easy for us to find out the angle. So what do? We are sending one ray. Which is this ray called as? Incident ray. Agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the normal beta? 0 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Agree? And the reflected ray comes over here like this. This is reflected. We measure this angle and this angle the same. Our first law is confirmed. Agree or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood this activity?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Question? If you want to ask me any question, you can.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Same thing. Same thing we are doing. This is the mirror. This is the mirror. Okay, beta? This is the beam of light which is coming. And this is the incident ray. What it is, beta?
Instrument.
Incident ray.
Zero. This is normal. Yes. And it goes back. The reflected. Measure this angle. Angle I will be equal to angle I. Here.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All of you are understanding or not? See, I'm trying to
Yes, ma'am.
repeat, revise. It's easy for instance. Really want to measure it. Maybe I think 20 degree. Yes or no? This is also 20.
Yes.
You know how to measure, isn't it? With the help of protection.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So no problem. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. No problem. No doubts. Better.
Ma'am, can I read?
Come to the next name.
Being formed by a plane mirror, the image is erect. Second, the image is seems.
Hear me. What's your name?
Ma'am.
I want to name Owen Fatima. Okay. It's been long. I mean, where were you presenting the slide? Where were you?
Actually, ma'am, that is my sister's have lecture, so I am not joining.
Yeah, I could see your absence. That's what I'm. And welcome, better. That
Okay, ma'am. Image formed by a plane mirror. First, the image is erect. Second, the image is same size as the object. Image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of it. Fourth, the image is view
visual.
cannot be obtained on a screen. In the image, the right side appears left and the left side appears right.
Now you are looking yourself at the mirror. Remember, whatever I'm asking you, you have to give me the answer. All of you. Not only Owen Fatima, I'm addressing the whole class. How many of you are present right now, beta?
20.
20.
1.
Good. All of you are welcome. Good. So I hope the strength increases.
18 of them, 18 of them, 18 of them are present.
It's better. I think it's better than before, ma'am. What do you,
Yes, 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 yes.
and it is appreciable. What is that?
Mm. Mm.
Thank you, beta. Now you're standing in front of the mirror, right? What are we, beta? We are objects. What are we? Object?
Yes, ma'am.
We are object, right? We are in front of the mirror. Combing your hair, you're looking at yourself. Now, one by one, you have to say that. I am standing upright. What is the image? Is it upside down or is it the same upright?
Upside down.
Image is upside down. Head is down and your legs are up. That's how you see, observe.
No, ma'am.
Upside down is opposite better. That means your leg is on top and your head is on bottom. So,
No, ma'am.
so what it is? Erect.
Yes, ma'am.
Image you look in the mirror. Yes or no? That is called as upright. What it is called, beta?
Right.
Right. And the other version of it is erect. Here it is standing straight. We are standing straight, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Image also we are standing straight.
Yes.
So you agree. So it is erect. So that is the first thing. It is erect. All of you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Whatever your size is, the same size you get in the image. Say yes or no. That's it. Think
Yes, ma'am.
height increases in the image or your height remains the same. What happened? You're looking yourself in the mirror, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Image, your height remains the same or is it decreased or increased?
Height remains same.
Exactly, height remains the same. The second is confirmed. Now third, as you move away from the mirror, your image also goes away from the mirror. You agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Towards the mirror, image also comes near the mirror. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So this also you agree. Fine. That means the distance of you in front of the mirror, distance of the image away from the mirror is the same. Same. This is the mirror. You are standing here. Image will be formed here. So this distance and this distance the same. Say something
Yes.
is the same. Good. Now the image is virtual. What does that mean?
Cannot be obtained on.
Yes, cannot be obtained on the screen. Virtual. It cannot be obtained on the screen. Virtual. We think, but it is actually not on the screen. So that is called as virtual. The image is not real. What is the opposite of virtual, beta? Real. Do you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you are touching your right ear, in the image, what it will be shown? That you are touching your left ear. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, all of you have understood better? Nicely?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, what exactly is happening? Now, this is the mirror. Please have a look. This is the mirror. On the left hand side that I'm showing, this is the mirror. Okay? You are looking yourself. This is getting reflected. Yes? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
And you are watching the candle. Can you see this candle?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can see this candle same distance away, the image in the mirror over here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Distance remains the same. You have understood this is how what is happening.
Yes, ma'am.
Watching yourself in the mirror, the same thing is happening. Now, this is your right hand. Yes?
Yes.
Which hand will be shown over here in the image?
Left hand.
You have understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is a flower vase, right? You can see the flower vase over here.
Yes.
Take it away, image will also go here. Bring it close, image will also come close. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood nicely?
Yes. Yes.
Now, it's a revision. How images are formed by plane mirror. I will
Ma'am,
repeat. No, better. It's just an activity. So let me finish it up. I will explain to you. Now you are looking yourself here. Now this is the mirror. Agree? You have to say yes or
Yes.
no. This is you. You are looking in the mirror. Yes? And this is the
Yes.
object. Let's take this object as a candle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Torch or a torch, whatever. This goes here. It is the incident ray. It goes back. Where it is received by our eye, isn't it? We are looking at it. So the reflected
Yes,
ray is
ma'am.
received by our eye. So this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. Okay? Fine.
Okay,
Now where we
ma'am.
will get the image? Image is over here. This is the object, the candle. You can see the image over here. Is it clear?
Yes.
And the distance will be the same. Fine?
Yes.
How we are
Yes.
getting the image in the mirror. What image we got in the mirror? Virtual. I told you just now. Real. And where is image formed? Behind the mirror. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Behind the mirror. As the object is in front of the mirror, image problem.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what we see, our image, virtual.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are we observing ourselves? Plain mirror. Okay.
Yes.
How big must the mirror be? Now you are standing here, for example, it's any XYZ man is standing over here. Can you see this? The height remains the same. Can you see the height? Image. This is the object and this is the image. Your height remains the same.
No, ma'am.
No? So you look shorter and longer in the mirror.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That is what I'm saying. You're looking yourself in the mirror. Does your height change?
No, ma'am.
No. So height remains the same. You understand? So image is the same as the object. That is what I wanted to say. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
See. So your head will look the same. Your eyes will also look the same. Your chin will also look the same. Your hands, see, look over the hands over here. It looks the same. Your feet will also look the same. Yes or no? Can you say that?
Yes.
Plain mirror? That's how you look. The only change will be your right side will be the left side. That's it. And nothing else will change. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, distance from mirror. Now, you are over here. Where are you, beta? On the left hand side. So, you are here. If you are far away, you are standing here. Where will the image, beta? Here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And you go nearer to the mirror. You come close to the mirror. Where will the image? Close to the mirror. Yes or no?
Yes.
So at the distance I'm trying to show, as you go away from the mirror, being an object, the image also goes away from the mirror. As you go near the mirror, image also comes closer to.
Yes, ma'am.
I can say reflection away. How does the reflection takes place? This is regular. Can you see this? It comes here,
Yes.
it goes. Blue incident, red reflection. Blue incident, red reflection. Blue, red. Blue, red. It is uniform, isn't it? Whereas in this case, who can explain? Excuse me. Who can explain this better? Who can explain this? It is irregular. What it is better? Girls
Regular.
goes here, it comes here, and then it goes there. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
One comes here. This come here, and then it goes there. So it is all irregular. So this is called as diffused reflection. What it is called? What it is called, beta? Diffused reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
So you got two types. One is smooth surface and the one is on rough surface. So you can see the surface over here is straight. straight,
Yes,
smooth
ma'am.
surface. And what you see over here, it is rough surface. Can you see this surface?
Yes.
So
It is
smooth
not in
surface,
straight line.
exactly. In smooth surface, you get uniform reflection. In rough surface, you get diffuse reflection. Okay. In this,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can get clear-cut picture. You can see image very nicely. Whereas in diffuse, in this, the image will be blurred. Image will be not clear. You understand? Because it is
Yes,
diffuse.
ma'am.
Okay. So let's talk about regular reflection. Yes, please, one of you, can you see the words properly better? Or should I read?
Yes, ma'am.
Can see the words properly?
Yes.
Yes.
Read it better.
Can
I'm
read.
coughing. That's
Yes.
why I want you to read.
Okay, ma'am. On the other hand, reflection of light rays from a smooth surface like that of plane mirror is called regular. Reflection is called a regular reflection. Images formed by regular reflection.
This is what they are showing. See. See over here. These are the incident light. Can you see here? This is the surface. This is the surface, right? And these are the incident light, the red one. And these are the area where it is observed better. Where this reflection coming to? It is reflection is coming to our eyes. If the reflection does not come to our eyes, we cannot see any object. Until and unless we get the reflected light in our eyes, we cannot see any object. Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
If you understood, so reflection is a must to see the world. The tree is reflecting in our eyes. I can see the tree, that is an object. It is coming to my lens of my eye. You understand? And it's getting reflected. So I can see the tree. If it does not get reflected, that means I am blind. You get it, you get the point? I will be blind. If it does not get reflected, that means I am blind. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you understood that? Reflection is a must for us to see. So this is regular reflection. All of you agree? This is regular reflection. What is it, beta? Say with me.
Regular
Regular
reflection.
reflection. Fine. Now what is this? Irregular reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read?
Regular
Or should I?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, sure. The laws
The
of
law,
reflection.
the
Can you
laws
read
of
or not?
reflection. The laws
Are
of reflection are valid for reflection from all shiny surface. Thus, the angle of the incidence has to be equal to the angle of reflection. In each
in each
case, it is just that the case
ray
ray
reflected
reflected from an irregular surface and
are
unrab-
are unparalleled rays.
unparalleled rays.
Yes.
When the rays reflected from a plane surface are not parallel,
Unparalleled.
and
The reflection
the reflection is known as irregular reflection.
irregular, beta. It is not in, it is irregular. Say
Irregular.
again. Fine. Good.
Irregular.
Good, good. Now you can see the lights are coming parallel. See the lights. Focus it.
Yes, ma'am.
It's parallel. But how it is going back, see all these lines are parallel. Can you see this? All these lines are parallel. But when it is reflected, it is not parallel. So this is reflected, this is reflected,
Yes, ma'am.
this is reflected. This is not parallel. But the incident rays are parallel. You agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is irregular reflection. So again, I've done the revision. So I think things are clear to you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you. So in regular reflection, we can see clear vision. Whereas an irregular reflection, we cannot see proper picture. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You excuse me today, but I don't know from where I got the cough. Too. Why is there a reflection here but not here? Can anyone tell me? See over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me why there's a reflection, the left hand side.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Because this side, it
What is this? Okay, let's see. What is this one? First, what is this one? Tell me.
Reflection.
This is reflection, right? What type of reflection is it, beta? What type of reflection is it? Is it diffused, regular, or irregular reflection?
regular.
Regular reflection. Okay. That means, should I ask you one question? What is this behaving as? This one. What is this behaving as? Mirror. Simple. This is behaving as
Mirror.
mirror. Simple. That's why you're getting reflection, beta. So the water is behaving as mirror. Do you get me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Water is behaving like a mirror. Simple. And this mirror is not moving. This surface is not moving, so it is regular surface. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Agree, beta? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Whereas over here, look over here. Here, the surface is rough. Can you see these waves?
Yes, ma'am.
And moreover, it is splashed with the oars. Yes?
Yes.
The water is splashing. So this becomes irregular, rough surface.
Reflection.
Yes. So reflection will be irregular. Simple. So we don't get any picture, we don't get any image, we don't get any image. That's the reason. Isn't it simple?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if there's no movement in this water, then again we can get the same image of the buildings and the jungles in the water. We can get the image if it is not moving. Is it clear? Who is singing? Who is this?
Nakui
Ask her to put
tafsir.
up the mic. Huh? Who is she?
Nakui tafsir.
Ask her to put up her mic, beta. Ask her to mute
Ma'am,
herself.
muted.
Okay. Now, why do we see different colors, beta? Why do we see different colors? Due to reflection. Is it clear? Let's see. There's
Yes,
something
ma'am.
new I'm giving you in this chapter. Huh? Read it, beta.
Ma'am, can I read?
We see
Who is it?
the different color in this.
Zainab Rupani.
Okay, Zainab Rupani, start.
Okay, ma'am. Seeing different colors. How do we see the different colors in the frog's skin? Their skin absorbs all colors except red and so is seen as red.
So what
Their
you
skin
understood? Just a moment, beta. Don't rush. What did you understand? The skin absorbs all colors except red. So what is reflected? What is
red.
reflected, beta? Red is reflected. When red gets reflected, I can see red. When I can see green reflected, I can see trees green.
Yes.
When brown gets reflected, I see brown as a desk. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how the thing happens. So skin is absorbing all colors except red, which is getting reflected. So I can see red frog. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta? Okay. Okay. Now this one, please read. Put off your mic. I can hear
It's 10 to
myself
2
back.
a.m.
I can hear myself back.
Ma'am, Zainab Rupan.
Has she done?
The skin absorbs all colors, no colors are reflected, and so it appears black.
Okay. Now you can see the patches of black and red. Can you see? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now I'm trying to tell you something. Now this portion is reflecting red. Is it clear? So we can
Yes.
see red patches. Now, in this portion, here, from here to here, this portion, no colors are reflected. That means skin is absorbing all the colors. What skin is doing, beta? It is absorbing
On
all colors. So what it appears? It appears as black. So when all colors are absorbed, it appears black. When one color is reflected, that color is seen. Is it understandable?
Yes, ma'am.
When everything
yes.
is absorbed,
Yes, ma'am.
it looks black. When one color is reflected, you can see that particular color and nothing else. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
How we see the different colors in the flower, please.
Now can I read?
Yes, better.
Ma'am.
How do you see the different color
No,
in
that
this
ask her
flower?
to continue. Janam Rupani. We'll finish this slide better.
How do we see the different colors in flower? This part absorbs all colors except red and green. It reflects red and green light and so appears yellow.
Okay, stop it now. Now the part. You can see this yellowish part. You see this
Yes,
yellowish
ma'am.
part of the
Yes,
flower?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now this part is absorbing all colors except red and green. So what it is doing? It is reflecting red and green. When it reflects red and green mix. I think you have done something about primary colors and secondary colors. Do you know about it while drawing? Hello.
Yes.
You
Yes,
know
ma'am.
draw, how to get secondary colors. I think you are aware of it.
Ma'am, I
So
have
when
one.
so when you mix red and green, it becomes yellow. Do you know that? When you
Yes.
mix red
Yes,
and green,
ma'am.
it becomes yellow. So two colors are getting reflected. Which is that beta? Red and green. When it comes to an eye, I will not see red and green separately, but I will see the mixture of color and that will change
Yellow.
to yellow. So I can see the yellow color of the flowers. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then,
This part absorbs no colors. It reflects all the colors and so appears white.
so all the colors are appearing reflected. So the flower looks white. So inside it looks yellow and outside it looks white. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you white looked yellow and white it is looking white. So white means everything is getting reflected. All the colors are getting reflected. That is white. All the colors are absorbed black. When you get the combination of colors reflected, then you get the secondary colors. When you get only one color reflected, you can see only that color. Hope you have understood the reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
Else, okay.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, tell me. Ask me better.
That in that slide,
Okay, just a moment. Let me go back. Yes, tell me. Say,
ma'am,
ask me first. Yes,
you are telling that it reflects, but there
yes.
is no mirror. Then how it reflects?
There's no mirror. I have talked about to show you what is reflection, beta. Are we holding mirror everywhere? Mirror is the medium. Now, the mirror that I'm going to work just now, I told you this one. Where is the mirror here, beta? Is there any mirror?
No.
Then what was that? I think you're not able to understand. I just tried to show you what is reflection. Reflection is through medium. Now, that medium could be air, that medium could be water, that medium could be solid. The solid was glass. This one is water. and the reflection that we are observing around us is air. I hope you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Girls, I mean, who
Yes.
had asked me this question? Now the things are clear or not, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
We took
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
mirror. No, it's okay, beta. We took the mirror just to show you what exactly is reflection, beta. Just to make you understand. But reflection is happening everywhere, in all states of matter. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Good that you keep asking, beta. That is good. Unless you will not have any doubts. Okay. So what are we going to find out in this later part of a lecture? It is going to that we are going to distinguish different types of mirrors. We will have simple ray diagram, and then we will distinguish what is real image and what is virtual image. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now we have finished with plane mirror. What we are observing ourselves, looking at ourselves in the mirror, that mirror is plane mirror. Say with me, beta. Say it is plane mirror. What
Plain
we
mirror.
observe ourselves here. In the morning we observe ourselves in the mirror, it is plane mirror. Now we are going to work with spherical mirrors. What are we going to work with?
Spherical mirror.
Spell.
That means I take a ball and I cut it. I take a ball and I cut it. What sort of mirror I will get? Spherical mirror. Is it clear now? Like this.
Yes,
So I get
ma'am.
a mirror
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this. Okay? Fine.
Ma'am, can I read now?
Okay.
If the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave,
Concave.
it is called
It is called a concave mirror. What happened?
concave mirror. Nothing,
Then,
ma'am. If the
then,
reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is convex, it is called a convex mirror.
fine. So how many mirrors do we have, beta? Tell me. How many mirrors do we have? Concave
Two
and convex. Say, plane mirrors we have
Concave
convex.
and
finished.
convex.
Plane mirrors we have finished. Now we are having spherical
Two
mirrors.
mirrors.
We are having bend mirrors. That plane mirror was straight. Remember that? Erect. Remember? Plane mirror was
Yes.
like this. Like this it was plane mirror. Is it clear now? Now we are going to
Yes.
work on like this and like this. Is it clear? Sometime
Yes.
it will be like this and sometime it will be outside. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what are the name of the mirror? Concave and convex. Now we are going to observe how does it look like. How does it look like? This is concave mirror. Can you see over here on the left hand
Yes,
side?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the concave mirror. You see this here?
Yes.
Concave mirror. This is the object. Can you see this man standing?
Yes.
So first
Yes,
the
ma'am.
ray will go like this. This is the incident ray, and from the focus it will come back like this. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then from the center of curvature, I will not go into detail. It will be crossing. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Got it? So you can say
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
this person. Okay. Then from the object, from the head it went down, and from the legs it will go from here. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And from the leg portion also it goes straight and then it cuts from the focus. So where does it meet? Here. So this is going to be the image. What it is, beta? Image. This is how the image is formed. But one thing that you observe is that it is topsy-turvy. That means the head is down and the legs are top. This is how you will see the image as in the concave mirror. So what does it look? First you will ask, first I want to ask you, is the image of the same size? What you will say? No, it is diminished. What you will say? What you
Dim-
will say, beta? It is diminished, small. It is
yes.
diminished. What you will say?
Dim-
Diminished. It is of small size. Okay, the first thing. Second, what you will say? It is inverted because head is down and legs are up top. So what you will say?
yes.
It is inverted.
Water.
What you will say, beta? Inverted.
Inver-
Is it clear?
yes,
And on
ma'am.
the same side of the mirror, what you will say? On the same side of the mirror. That means the object is also here and the image is also here. Hope you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
We will do more detailing later. So now have you understood? We have started with it. So I wanted you to understand. Now we will come to convex mirror. Okay?
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is the object. This is the object. Can you see this object? It goes straight.
Yes, ma'am.
It goes straight and it diverges. Say it goes back. It is reflected. It diverges. This one is converging and this is diverging. Now what will happen? This ray which is going up will be brought down to the focus. Can you see this focal point? It's
Yes,
brought down to
ma'am.
focus. Okay? And then it goes straight to the center of curvature like this. You will cut it. Where these rays meet, you will get the image. Now what image you
Ma'am,
get? Yes, beta?
what is meant by focal?
That I will tell you when we proceed, when we go one by one. I just wanted you to understand these are the names, these are terminologies that we are going to use for the. I will teach you everything in detail, but just understand that you are hearing what is focal length, you are hearing what is center of curvature. You getting my point? What
Yes,
is behind
ma'am.
the mirror? What is in front of the mirror? What is inverted? What is erect? What is diminished? What is enlarged, magnified? So I'm just making you understand all these terminologies. Detailing, I will do it later. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what we see over here, the object is big and this is the virtual image. Why it is virtual? Because it's made in dotted lines. Can you see this dotted lines better? In this case, can
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
dotted line? No.
No,
Can you see
ma'am.
dotted line? So it is real image. When you get in dotted line, it becomes virtual image. Now you understood what is virtual image?
Yes, ma'am.
This is virtual image. And it is not inverted, it is erect and diminished. Hope you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we see types of curved mirrors one by one. Let's start with concave mirror. See,
Tell me
Okay.
the
Of curved mirror. A concave mirror is
time is up, beta.
silvered on.
Hello, time
Yes,
is up.
ma'am.
Time is up. Okay, we will have another two lectures to finish this chapter. Hope we have you understood nicely or not? Tell me first. Did you
Ma'am,
understand it
nicely.
nicely? No
Yes,
problem?
ma'am.
All of you?
Yes.
All of you tell the ones who are absent beta to be present because this is a difficult chapter actually.
Okay.
And this will be carried forward in your ninth standard.
Okay,
Sorry,
ma'am.
not in ninth standard, eighth standard.